isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
I have vowed that this will be my last time coming to Starbucks for the rest of the year. Scouts on it. I will not come to another Starbucks the rest of 2020. You in my business. Don't do that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 19, okay? This is from Vlogmas Day 18. I did go ahead and snatch them lashes off, but I just edited that video. It's up as we speak. Well, it'll be up when you're watching this. So, taking a lunch break because my mother's on her way here. Listen, in that last clip, I know what you think you heard, but that wasn't me. I will not come to another Starbucks the rest of 2020. I would never say that I would never go to Starbucks again. Like, those words would never leave my mouth. So I don't know who that imposter was, but it wasn't me. I didn't say that. I thought I would come on here and let y'all see me cute because I'm gonna take all this off. Me and my mother are getting ready to go out again. She's just got a couple errands she needs to run, so I'm gonna be riding along, and I thought I'd go ahead and start the vlog. And I thought I would let y'all see me cute. I'm gonna put some pictures here so you can see the pictures in the shirt. And I'm just matchy with my nails and stuff. I'm feeling myself. I think that video is super cute. The editing, like in the beginning and closer to the end, I think is really cute. So keep a lookout. And yeah. I'm gonna finish cleaning and then I'm gonna have to put the cats up. I'm gonna put them in their bags because my mother doesn't like cats. So I do have to put them away. And I didn't realize how late it was. I just had buttered chicken. But this is the aftermath of me filming. It's actually not that bad, only because I cleaned it up as I was doing my outro video. Alexa, turn the lights on. So, yeah, this is the aftermath. I'm gonna clean this up. And then I also need to make my bed. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Christmas lights and stuff on and light a candle. And then I'm gonna get dressed. So. I'm actually not going to to make my bed because he just sat up. But Pumpkin was in there asleep. So I'm just gonna leave him be. It is pretty chilly in here, even with the heat on. So let's go wash all this off my face. Alexa, turn off the lights. I think, are y'all gonna sit here and cooperate? Probably not. Probably not, right? Why would you do that? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I don't want it on my face anymore. I finally got all that glitter off my face. I hope you two can't hear that. Okay, I'm gonna put on my fluffy coat and this is gonna be the outfit. I'll talk to y'all when my mother's here. I think she's gonna make me do the driving, so. Okay, so I'm with my mama, but she went into Wawa. I'm getting I'm gonna put some air in her tires and pump her gas. But yeah, we're here. She didn't let me drive because she had to get air in her tires and stuff. So we here or whatever. I'm gonna try to get her on camera. If she don't want to be on camera, y'all ain't gonna see her this time. That's all. Why am I talking? We're not doing anything. Okay, we're going to Walmart. So talk to y'all later. You in my business. Don't do this. Hey, which side? Answer me. Don't get out. Just tell me. Mommy, just tell me. How am I supposed to learn if you ain't gonna tell me?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Don't know how to put air in a tire, so I'm trying to teach her something.
What's taking this so long?
Just leave it on there, Taisha. There you go.
Oh, you know I got bad knees.
The air stays low in my tires.
How much that was that?
26 now.
Oh my God.
So do you now know how to put air in the tires, Taisha?
Yeah. People normally do it for me.
Spoiled.
Well.
Back at my least favorite place in the world.
This report is sponsored by
Y'all know my disdain with Walmart. I prefer Target, but Target got the audacity to be expensive. Get. If you don't go up some,
Why? Lord, you so lazy.
Taking that back to your house, right? Huh?
if it's for freezer, no, I don't have no freezer. I got no freezer with.
I don't know what we gonna do then. I said we wait. No, cause
I'm not coming back out.
yeah. I don't got no freezer space. You better turn your refrigerator down. I'm recording.
So what are we doing?
I want to do those mini pecan bites.
What do you need?
I don't know. I didn't know we was doing this tonight.
What mini pecan bites?
Instead of making a big pecan, you make little pecan bites.
So the pecan pie?
Yeah, but it's,
Pecans, I have those.
I have to make the dough and stuff though. I think I can get like pre-made dough.
Yeah, cut it. Maybe I cut it out or something. Well, let's look. Alright,
This salad.
And she eats too much of it.
Addicted.
And she eats too much of it. It's these. I'll put it right there.
Get out of here. Why you showing my basket?
She did the absolute most. And we still ain't done. Can y'all tell me what one person needs this many soaps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 soaps.
You gonna stop telling my business.
5 soaps, y'all. This is mine. I want to try this. 5 soaps. Look at this cart.
She will never put air in the tires again.
Now, y'all heard me ask her if I was putting air in those tires correctly, right? Why does she have a flat tire? This is why you don't let Taisha do anything. I asked her several times. You heard me in the clip. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? Yes, Taisha. Roll the clip. We got a flat tire. We've got a flat freaking tire. When we left, the light, the tire pressure light right there was still on. I said, Mom, why is tire pressure light still on? It'll go off. It'll go off now. She's the one up here laughing, and I'm pissed.
So this is what we ended up with after Taisha put the air in the tire.
They know who I am.
Too funny.
I don't.
She will never put air in the tires again.
Pissed.
Grocery. Not that one, but the next one.
Now AAA is here.
Yep. Right here. Yeah.
She's trying to tell. There you go. Right there. Y'all, I'm sick. I'm so sick. Now she got to ride on a donut.
See me?
After all that excitement, we had to come get some Chipotle. Because she just needed air in her tire. Shut up. Everybody just shut up. How about that? Y'all, I feel so bad. I don't think it was me, though. Because look. And we just filled them. I don't think it was me. I feel bad though. It's back on. We back here. We even had AAA come out and he just put air in it. He didn't really change the tire, but I feel so shitty now.
Get out. Huh? I think I'm getting out. If you want to get out, can you put the board down for me though?
Yeah. It's
I
on.
promise it won't drop or anything.
Well, I'm going in the house for a minute.
That's scary.
Don't open the closet door. Y'all, I've messed up. So we're thinking that this tire has a leak. And so she's putting her donut on, and they're saying that you can only put 20 miles on the donut. This is just information for people who have to deal with things like this, because I think I've had a flat before, but I didn't have to drive it far to get the new tires. So I'm gonna tell her tonight. This video may go up late tomorrow, but we'll be fine. She says it wasn't me, but I feel like I don't fudged up. So okay, so I was gonna show y'all what I got from the store, but now I have to rush. So I'm just gonna put this stuff away real quick because I gotta, you know, let her get home. So I'll talk to y'all when I get to her house. Good morning. So I'm gonna make this short and brief. We are headed to the car dealership to get her car worked on. I'm going to tell her, as you can see, I'm tired. We're okay, she's okay, the car's okay.
we ended up having to go ahead and put the donut on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I want to thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in Vlogmas Day 20. Bye.